Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to build a website here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Building a website here on Squarespace is a streamlined process due to its user-friendly interface and comprehensive tools. Now, once you are logged in to www.squarespace.com, I want you to click on the Get Started button. And from here, you will be prompted to create an account by choosing the best topic or best describes your brand or identity. Is it going to be photography, art, weddings, design? Maybe you are into real estate and properties, music. If you want to skip that and it does not apply to your brand or store or company or e-commerce business, just click on skip. Are you going here to sell services, sell online courses, showcase your work, expertise or portfolio, sell memberships, get appointments? So these are going to be your options. If you wanted, for example, you are building a community, click on next, and you have two more options wherein you can browse to the curated set of professionally designed website templates, or if you wanted to build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI, you can choose that. Now from here, you might want to choose a template that's unique to you. Design your homepage, add the pages you need, choose your colors and fonts, and generate text and images with AI. I'm going to click on the create site. And from here, this is very important. You need to create by using your Google account. You can also use your Apple, your Facebook, your business or personal email. And by following that, you would be forwarded here after signing up. Once you have chosen a template, Squarespace offers a wide range of beautifully designed, mobile responsive templates that cater to different needs. Right now, I'm going to use this one. And if you want to start with this design, you have the sample color presets, wherein you can choose the best color that represents your brand or identity. All right. So I leave that discussion to you. How about we use this one? If you wanted to view your demo site, you are welcome to do that. And if you're happy with it, all you have to do is start editing your website by clicking on the create a site like this. You would be forwarded to the website builder and wait for it while Squarespace is setting things up for you. Now, once you have done that, on the left side bar, you'll see options like pages, site styles, commerce, marketing settings, and a lot more. For now, we're going to put in the name of our website, which is going to be this. I'm going to hit on continue. And these are going to be, you need to sell anything, or if you wanted to promote your product or your brand. Just click on continue. Get started. And from here, these are going to be your options. If you click on the edit button here, you'll have an access to the website builder editor, wherein you have on the upper right corner, you can have the site styles, wherein you have control over the themes. For example, if you want the professional, playful, sophisticated, friendly, right? So bold, if you have that. Now for the heading though, you have all these options. So you're not limited with the default. Instead, you can be creative. You can customize if you wanted. So you have these controls, headings, paragraphs, buttons, and assign styles. All right. Now, I'm going to click this for now, the close one. You have an option for the mobile view and desktop view. Want to make sure that the template that you use are responsive. If you wanted, you can drag some of the elements here so they're not cramped or cluttered within your peripherals. If you're happy with that, click on save. All right. I'm going to click on exit for now. And I'm going to go to the desktop view wherein we can add blocks. The blocks are text, image, video, buttons, and a lot more. Okay, so for the image, for example, I'm going to add an image. I'm going to delete this for now. Instead, I'm going down here at the bottom wherein I am free to add more elements. For example, an image. Just wait for it. And then here, I'm going to drag the image for now. You see that? You can drag and make sure that the image is properly set. Okay. Now, if you click on save right here, there's going to be an option that says edit site header, wherein you can put in the navigation here. If you want to edit that, you are welcome to do so. So these are going to be some of the parts of or the components of your website. If you wanted to delete that or add another one, you are welcome to do so. You also have the option to edit design or the color right here. And then one of the good thing about creating a website is adding your social media icons. If you click on the add block, you can put in the integrations for your, say for example, an account on Instagram, Zola, Flickr, Baz in Town, RSS, and SoundCloud. For example, if you wanted to put in your Instagram account, you are welcome to do so by clicking on the pencil icon and choose an account here. All right. If you go to the settings right here and click on exit, you have an option for the pages. You can put in your blog, add another page, store portfolio, and a lot more. If you're selling a courses, you might want to create a series of guided lessons. And if you're creating a blog, you might want to do so by clicking on the blog. You can add a blog wherein you can put advertisement by creating pop-ups for the companies to get noticed and put an ad space. All right, you can put in the blog. You can click on this, and this is going to be your blog here. You see that? So this is going to be the blog. Hover back to the home page. And then from here, if you click on the gear icon settings, you have all these parts of your website: site languages, favicon, social links, wherein you can add and manage social links right here: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. And if you want to add social or link or email, you are welcome to do so. All right. So there's a lot that you can work with in terms of creating a website. You can discover and manage third-party extensions for your website. For example, MailChimp, We Got Translate, Tiny, IMG, Live Chat, and a lot more. And by doing all of these, you can easily create a stunning and fully functional website using Squarespace. The platform's intuitive tools allow for customization without needing coding skills, making it perfect for beginners and small businesses. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do, you see this option that it says to publish. All right. Click on that. And if you click on the the bottom left corner, there's going to be an option that says domains. All right. So this is very important. If you don't have any domain yet, you might want to click on get a domain option. You can start your search here, start your domain name search here. For example, I'm going to put in our brand, which is going to be Deep Laughs, and press enter. Now here, you can choose any domain that you wanted. For example, is it going to be a deep-laughs.com? That's going to be $14. If you click that and click on checkout, all I have to do is ensure domain ownership and log in the current price for the number of years selected by choosing a multi-year term. You have to save and continue, pay for it, and you're going to have a 1-year registration for your website powered by Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.